It's not the end. What's up? I thought I'd put that out there, man, just to throw it out there. Just because I felt like doing an intro with that. How you guys doing? Happy weekend to you. Today's Saturday. Thought I'd get out on on the channel and say hello to you guys. Today's March 2nd. Can you believe we're in the third month of the new year of 2019? How many days is it till Christmas? Think about that. It's not too far away, kind of, maybe sort of. Anyway, thank you for logging in today and not only subscribing to the subscribers out there, but thank you for choosing my channel today to check in with me, see what I'm about, see what I'm doing. I know there's 1,000 other channels that you could have chose to look at, but you chose to look at mine. I appreciate that. So I like to be creative, fun, unique, and leaving out S's out of the word subscriber. Did I leave an S out? And it's subscriber. So, yeah. So how you guys doing? Hope your work week went well, and I know you kind of get for those of you who are off on the weekend, hope you're able to kind of relax a little bit, and rejuvenate yourself for the new work week. Anyway, while we're all here, while you're here, while you're listening, today marks the official announcement here at Bearded Patriot TV channel, where we're going to give away a free beard kit. Free. You pay nothing. The only thing you have to do is literally push your index fingers on the keyboard. And on this video here is the official announcement. Obviously, you have to be a subscriber. Like, comment, and share this video. And blast out on all your social media platforms you have. So at the end of the month, probably the last day of the month, I'll get on and I will announce who the winner is. And just to reiterate what's going to be in this wonderful beard kit is I'm throwing in 2 Boss Man beard things that I use, some beard jelly and beard fortify, right? So beard oil for the beard, fortify for while you're in the shower, the conditioner. I'm also going to throw in some Boss Man beard wax. I know this hasn't been used. I'm going to throw in some Honest Amish, coming at you from a different side. Honest Amish beard wax. Let's try that out. I'm going to throw in some free samples for you from Dave Beckham House of 99. Some moisturizer for your face. You can try that. And to be honest with you, I rolled Ulta. They give me products all the time. A lot of them. So guys, hook up with your girlfriend. Roll up in there. Wife, however you roll. Well, ask for some free, bro. I'm going to give you some free stuff. And try it out. See how it looks on you. I'll give you the card for Boss Man Beard for your first official order. I use Amazon. You can go to the website directly and get 30% off your order, right? I'm not going to give you this comb, but I'm going to give you one like this. And a little wooden comb from Striking Viking, okay? So we'll put a good beard comb in there too. So, yeah, so this is the beard kit. You're going to have all that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And it's a little something from my past videos that I've been briefing about. Hope you enjoy it. I will announce the last day of the month during March Madness as you're getting your brackets together, Sweet 16, Final Four, whatever you're doing. Don't forget to comment here and to get you where you need to be to get your beards popping. So thank you. I appreciate it. I love you. Thank you for subscribing. Tell our channel to your friends. Until then, as always, keep those beards popping and your communications or your comms hot. All right, take care. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.